sweet little mama shine. The girl in her blood to give a little while. Ponytail and a pretty smile. For my thoughts of mine. So come on here, get in my arms. Spin me around this big old barn. Fill me up like grandpa's yard. Sing my love, sing it honky tonk. For the rednecks running till the break of dawn. For the DJs saying that Disasa. Come on, come on, come on. Shake it for the fire, shake it for the breeze. Shake it for the candies, swimming down to the creek. For the crickets and the crickets and the squirrels. Shake it to the beat, shake it for the girl. Shake it, girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me. Girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me. Let me see you shake it one time. From Clemson, say hell yeah. Hell yeah. If you're proud to be from South Carolina, say hell yeah. To the windows, to the walls. Out there tonight, let me see you. Yeah. You said you wanted some. All right, slow down now. What's your name? What's your name? What the hell's your name? Philipos? Philipos Disasa. Where in the hell are you from? His ass is from Ethiopia, and that shit is awesome. Hey, you know what I love about him? He's wearing damn duck boots. That's what I love about him. Hey. All right, here's the deal. See, all right. I'm just gonna call your ass to salsa. Is that all right? Salsa. How about some salsa on that shit? All right. He said he wanted to do this. Now, here's the deal, guys. Now, guys, let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. See, he's already got it going. See, white folks can't do that. See? Here's white folks. All right. Anyway. All right, salsa. Slow down, salsa. You got your damn Columbia shirt on too, don't you? Damn. These South Carolinas, they got your largemouth bass fishing, don't they, baby? All right, stay on the bus with me. I'm gonna have you shooting a big old buck in the morning down in South Georgia, all right? Here's the deal, guys. Guys, we are outnumbered 12-1. 12-1. For every country boy, there's 12 country girls. If you cannot hook up in here tonight, you are just plain ugly and we can't do nothing for you. With me and old hot sauce. Me and old hot salsa here, we're gonna show you how to shake it, guys, and maybe you can do a little bit. Are you ready? Come on. Say country boy, shake it. Oh, here we go. Say country boy. Go salsa, go salsa, go salsa, go salsa. some of your boys and a couple of them girls, and y'all come back and drink a beer with me right after the show, all right?